Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, HP laptop no sound fix audio not working on Windows 11, 10. First method is change output device. Second method is troubleshoot output device. Third method is set default output device. Fourth method is change services settings. Fifth method is update audio device. Sixth method is update sound, video, and game controllers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.